Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this pastel colored nail look with black detail because life's too short to have boring nails. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with bare natural nails and I'm going to add a base coat, making sure that I coat each nail with all the base coat nail polish. Yes, I am going to do 2 coats of the base coat because I want to, but you really don't have to. 1 coat should be fine. Okay, so once your base coat is dry, you're going to start adding your pastel colors. I'm starting with yellow on my baby fingernail, making sure that I wrap the edge of the nail. The next color will be this coral orange color on my ring fingernail. Next is this turquoise color on my middle fingernail, sky blue on my index fingernail, and lastly this lilac-y purple color on my thumb. Then I'm going to go over my nails with a second coat of all the colors. So when you're adding your second coat, this is the point where you can make sure that all of your nail is covered with the nail polish color. Okay, so once the nail polish is completely dry, you're going to add some sellotape and place the sellotape at an angle on the left side of your nail. Once your sellotape is secured, you're going to add some black nail polish. So the idea is to paint the nail polish between where your nail begins and the sellotape begins. Does that even make sense? I don't know, but just have a look at what I'm doing. And you're going to do this for every nail. Next, you're going to peel off the sellotape carefully, and you should be left with a black strip of polish on the side of your nail. Okay, so once the black nail polish is dried on the left side of your nail, you're going to repeat that same step, but this time on the right side of your nail. So you're laying down the sellotape at an angle on the right side of all of your nails. Then you're going to add your black nail polish on the right side of your nail. Again, you're going to paint in between where your nail starts and the sellotape ends or starts, or whichever, filling in the gap. And again, you're going to repeat this on every nail. Once you're done painting, again, you're going to peel off the sellotape and you should be left with another black strip of nail polish. So the next step is to add some black striping tape. Place the striping tape just before the line of black nail polish that you made before on all of your fingernails. This can get tedious, but just keep going, you'll get there. Once you've finished putting down all of your striping tape, you're going to cut off the excess. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to add some more striping tape, but this time place it diagonally across your nail. The idea is to create a X shape at the top of your nail. And you're going to go ahead and do this on all of your fingernails. Again, this step can be quite tedious, but just take your time and eventually the look will come together. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and cut off the excess striping tape. Then you'll be on to your last step, which is to add a nice matte top coat. Be generous with your top coat and go ahead and paint all of your nails. Once all of your nails are completely coated with your matte base coat, you are done. And there you go, you are left with this pastel colored nail look with black detail. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!